Imagine setting sail from the port of Miami, with Miami's iconic skyline fading into the horizon, headed to the beautiful island of Great Stirrup Cay. To spend some time in Miami, so our pre-cruise stay was at the Lowe's Hotel on Miami Beach, a prime beachfront hotel. Staying there set the mood for our vacation and gave us an opportunity to hang out on the beach, play ping pong, and indulge in the taste of Miami's vibrant culture and enjoy beautiful ocean views before our cruise, which within itself was a total experience. The sight of the Norwegian cruise ship waiting at the dock was exhilarating. All right, boarding now, stepping on. Ooh. Okay. Nice. Watch your step. As we set sail, the Miami skyline slowly receded, creating a postcard-worthy moment against the setting sun. If you think this is beautiful, keep watching because Great Stirrup Cay is stunning. like the Norwegian ship. Their cruising concept is smooth, no crowded elevators, no long food lines, and the drink package was totally delightful.
All right, guys, we are on board having the first drink of the day at the whiskey bar.
It offered the perfect blend of leisure and activity, allowing us to plan our days at our own pace. Dining options catered to every craving. Once we arrived at Great Stirrup Cay, we were greeted by its serene beaches and distinctive charm of the island. We took our leisurely walk along the beach, enjoying the calm and breathtaking views of the beach. The highlight was exploring the island and visiting Great Stirrup Cay's lighthouse, which offered a beautiful panoramic view of the stunning coastline. We decided to just relax on the beach, sip on some mojitos and pina coladas. What are some of your favorite places to visit while in Miami? Leave a comment, and if you found value in this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, share it with someone you think will find value in it as well. See you in the next video, and happy sailing!